Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with day number 9 of our 24 days of Secret Santa swap hosted by Scrappy Tate. And so, day number 9 is right here. I got this lovely package that I can reuse yet again. If you've seen any of the other videos, I've received numerous ones like these that she stitched around the edge, and I love them. I've been cutting them open with these decorative scissors so that I could reuse them. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. Please consider liking this video and sharing it. I hope you consider joining me here if you are new. Okay, so day number 9. She has this beautiful die cut piece. And you know, the number. Let's see. Ooh, day number 9. We got some puffy stickers. Look at how cute the llama is. This llama is all decked out in all different ways. And look at the sloth. Oh, these are so cute. Cute. Thank you so much. Thank you, Secret Santa. So this is day 9. Stay tuned tomorrow for day 10. If you've liked this video, like I said, give it a thumbs up. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!